What's going on, y'all? Hey, we back. And today I'm here to do another update video on my investing journey. So we're taking the debt snowball that I accumulated and we're about to turn this into, I don't know, we're about to see, because over the last week, things have not gone how I expected. But what we're about to do is we're about to take this debt snowball from getting out of debt and we're about to put it towards our investing journey. What I did is I opened an account with Charles Schwab and I am doing single stock investing and I am learning the stock market. This is going to be the first time that I do any real investing. I am letting you in to see how it goes. If you want to know how investing goes, or if you're interested, or if you want to learn, I'm learning. And as I learn, I'm going to share everything that I feel comfortable sharing, nothing more. Today, I just hit my first milestone. Today, my first milestone was I just bought my second set of 6 stocks. Let me explain how I'm going to be doing it. What I'm learning is dollar cost averaging. I'm going to be investing $500 a week. I am not going to go over $500 and I'm going to buy as many shares of one stock, just single stock investing. I'm going to buy as many full shares as I can possibly buy every week for $500. What I've been able to buy of the one stock that I've been purchasing so far is just 6 shares. Every week, all I've been able to buy is 6 shares. The amount has been changing, but every week, 6 shares is all I get. This week is my second week of buying 6 shares. So I hit my first milestone, and my first milestone was to hit 10 shares of SCHD, which is the one stock that I'm going to be investing in, SCHD. And that is a Charles Schwab U.S. dividend equity fund. It's a ETF. It's a dividend paying ETF. And that's why I really like it because, like I said, I look at the stock market the same way as the housing market. Every stock is like owning a house. It doesn't matter when you purchase the house. It matters when you sell the house. You never want to sell the house for less than what you purchased it for. And sometimes that means you're going to have to hold on to it until the value goes up. And that's why we're dollar cost averaging, because what happens when you dollar cost average, you make the purchase at the same time on a set schedule. And sometimes the value is going to be high, sometimes the value is going to be low, but overall it's going to average out and it's going to make it so over time, I'm going to guarantee that I win. It's never going to be like I'm always buying at the highest time, and it doesn't matter because 5 years from now, 10 years from now, the value of everything is going to go up. There is not one candy bar that has not gone up in value since I was a kid till today. And that's how every stock is going to do the same way. I've explained how I plan to invest. I explained how much I plan to invest. Now let's talk about a little bit about some of what's happened with my investment. Like I said, right now we're talking about the position. I am learning this, so I'm going to just tell you what I know. Today's change, a negative 72 cents. So from where it opened to where it closed, it lost 72 cents. All I have done in my first week of investing is lose. That does not bother me because I'm not worried about today. I'm worried about later on in the future, and I know I will win. I bought again today and it's lower than it was when I bought it a week ago, which makes me feel good because I'm buying at a low point and I expect it to go up over time. Even if it keeps dropping, I'm going to keep investing. I'm hoping that eventually I'll be able to get 10 stock for the same price that I'm paying today. Basically, it's like saying your money goes further. If you could buy 10 houses today for the price that you could buy one, wouldn't you go in and buy 10 of them? That's the whole point. So for this account, I started the month with $2,000 and here I sit right now with $1,997.42. That means I have lost $2.58 over the past week. And today, like I said, I just bought some more. Let's go on to my gross gains because this is going to tell me where I either made profit or loss. And right here, it says cost basis. My last stock purchase was for $469.20. And my unrealized losses and gains, I have currently lost $2.58, which is negative 0.55% of my overall portfolio, which I have lost over the past week, which is okay. It's nothing to panic about. And that's why I am doing the stock market in this manner, because I chose a stock that does not go up and down in large fluctuations so that I don't have to experience large wins and losses. Like I said, we're trying to level out the emotion of the stock market. And that is what my goal is, to level everything out. One reason why I'm doing this with this dividend stock is because I want to create an income for myself in the future. Right now, I have 10,000 subscribers on YouTube. How much money will I have to invest in SCHD to get the same return of investment as I get off of 10,000 subscribers on YouTube. Once I figure that out, I'm going to invest to get that number there so that I can have both of them producing the same income. Like I said, I only have 6 that I am receiving funds off of, 6 stock. The other 6 stock will not show up till tomorrow. Let's go to the history. For history, I don't think this is really important. It just basically says what banks your money is coming out of, what banks your money is going into. For balance, right now, it says what my balances are. My total cash balance right now, it says is $1,530.80. And that is money that is just sitting in the firm waiting for me to invest in the next stock. I just made another purchase. It doesn't say that I made another purchase yet, so we're not going to talk about that. And that's it. But I do have a purchase coming in for tomorrow. So when it comes to income, it tells me how much interest I am projected to make. I have not made any interest or any dividends off of this stock so far, but it says how much I am projected to make. By the end of this year, if I just keep the 500 that I already have invested or the 460 that I already have invested, which we know that's going to change because I just invested more today, it says that that's going to be $4.02 worth of interest. And if I stay with the dividend at the rate that it is right now, without including what is going to be invested tomorrow, right now I have $11 worth of dividends. And the first dividend payment is supposed to pay out on, I think, the 26th of this month. I'm not sure how I can tell you that, but when I figure that out, I will let you know. The total overview: account value and daily change, total cash investment, total market value. We go into this SCHD. I don't want to try and read through everything because I really don't understand it. I'm going to keep trying to do these videos. I'm going to try and keep them short. This is just what I made so far, which I haven't made anything I've actually lost. And today I just went ahead and invested in my second 6 stock. So this is a video just to also say that I hit my first milestone of 10 shares, my second stock purchase, and we're going to keep this thing going. And I'm going to show you how, well, I'm just going to show you what the results are, but I kind of feel like I can already make a prediction, but I hate to make predictions, but my prediction is how the snowball worked to get out of debt. I feel like I'm going to see growth the same way with the snowball in my overall investing journey. It's just because I don't know how big it can possibly get. I don't have any projections on what it can be. I just want to say thank y'all for tuning in yet again. I'm going to try and keep the videos short. I keep saying that. This is short as it can get to me. As I understand better, I will bring the content better. I will make the videos better. I appreciate y'all for tuning in. Much respect, much love. Hey, we out.